In this next problem, we want kind of a more involved calculation. I can do some distribution. I do note that these are the same size, so I can actually go negative 8a minus 2a minus 2b to make minus 10a minus 2b. And sometimes it's a good idea to write these out separately. If I go minus 10a and multiply everything by negative 10, I get negative 20, negative 40, negative 90. Sorry, that becomes a positive 90. And then I have negative 10, negative 10 root 3, and 5. That will be my negative 10a. And then I'll go plus and then negative 2b. Negative 2 times each thing in that matrix gives me 2, 0, negative 8. And then the next row, multiplying by negative 2, I get negative 4, negative 18, negative 4 thirds. Now I can add each corresponding position together. Top left, negative 20 plus 2 is negative 18. Top center, negative 40 plus 0 is negative 40. Top right, 90 minus 8 is 82. Bottom left, negative 10 plus negative 4 makes negative 14. Now I don't have like terms there, so I'm just going to write that as negative 10 root 3 minus 18. And then 5 minus 4 thirds. Okay, I need a common denominator of 3. So 15 thirds minus 4 thirds is minus 19 thirds. And I'm going to help draw some lines in here to separate my columns and rows from each other, just because that binomial in the second row, second column looks a little bit weird. Okay, this one's a little bit different. First off, I'm going to find 3b minus a. That right off the bat, they're both the same size, so this is going to end up being a square 2 by 2 matrix. And if I take the top left position, 3 times 2, I have 6 minus 1 makes 5. Top right, 3b, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, minus that 6 makes negative 18. 3 times the 6 in the bottom row, first column, makes 18, minus that 4, which is 14. And finally, 3b, 27, minus the negative 2 becomes 29. That is going to equal negative 2x. They want us to find x, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each side by negative 1/2. That will just give us x on the right, and on the left we will have negative 5 halves, positive 9, negative 7, and negative 29 halves as matrix X.